Thanks for watching the Think Brazos podcast. Now let me help you find your zoning. First of all, you're going to go to bryantx.gov, get your cursor over to government, hover over that, and then select planning and development. Scroll down a little bit and you're going to click on GIS maps. This is Geographic Information Systems, or GIS. You can also just click the link provided and we'll take you straight there. All right, if this is your first time on this website, you're probably going to have to click this little button that says you read and agree with the disclaimer. Now comes to the fun part. You can type in whatever address you want here. The Think Brazos podcast is brought to you by Bryan College Station Habitat for Humanity. So we're going to type in our address, 119 Lake Street. Let's see here. Okay, now you want to be sure to come over here and check off all of the boxes that you're interested in, because that's going to tell this window over here what types of information to show. So we're going to zoom in just a little bit with this little button right here. Zoom in, zoom in. Okay, now click this button right here. Once you do that, this arrow right here shows up, and you can scroll through these panels and find lots and lots of information. You have the legal description, the size of the lot. Let's see what else. It's along Cabot and Lake Street. Let's see, keep going. Okay, here we go. So the zoning. Scroll through until you find this in the panel, zoning, MU2, description. That's mixed use. So it allows a more variety of uses rather than just a single use, such as residential, commercial, or industrial. You're going to be able to find how big the lot is, what the setbacks are, your lot coverage, and your minimum lot size. Right over here. Let's see. And then this one, link to ordinance. This is supposed to take you to the municipal codes on a website called MuniCode. Some of them work, some of them don't. I'll show you one that works in just a minute. We're going to go back here because this is something interesting that I found today. Bryan College Station Habitat for Humanity is located in Midtown, Bryan. And a few years ago, they came up with a redevelopment plan and have some pre-approved building types. So we're going to click on one of those just to see what's going on there. So they've actually linked the pre-approved building plan so that you can see things that you're allowed to build on these lots. That is really cool. Okay, so we're going to go back over here to this tab. Sorry, short tangent there. Let's see. So we've got all these different options that you can... Okay, these are neat. I like that. Okay. So we'll go back over here and we're going to show you one more thing for the zoning maps. Let's go to an address that has a MuniCode. I think, let's see. Let's try Harvest Coffee. Shout out to Harvest Coffee and their butterscotch latte. I'm a fan. Main Street? Let's see. Is that Harvest Coffee? I think so. Okay, we're going to click on it. Go through our arrows. So it's a downtown district. Let's see. Got your legal description. Acres. Let's see. Downtown. Keep going. Okay, ordinance. So if you see these, the front setback, that means you're going to have to refer to the ordinance for those specific descriptions and rules. So we're going to click down here, more info. And here we go. We're going to go to Bryan's MuniCode library. So a little bit nerdy. If you really want to get specific, you can look all throughout here and find out what are the rules and the different types of areas we have in Bryan, Texas. And this one just gives you a little bit more description about what is allowed where. And you can look around at agricultural open districts and all the different types of planning districts in town. And I hope that helps you. If you have any questions, leave us a comment and be sure to check out our website, thinkbrazos.org, to find local conversations to help families thrive in Brazos County, Texas.